What are you even videoing? Ready to go to Florida?
Ready to go to Florida. Getting in the adventure mobile.
Ready to go to Florida and do some stuff? Hi everybody. First morning in Florida.
Looking for shells now. Just playing.
Little morning walk. It's a bit windy today, but it looks amazing.
We found the Loch Ness.
Smell of McDonald's. Like, who have curly tail. Are we going back out?
We are going back out, but I don't know if we're gonna catch anything.
We took a break because we almost caught a snook a second ago. He got off though because I got too excited. Come on. Oh! On there still? How big?
It says crabs.
Just a little guy. Oh, you're drowning him. Oh, he's off. Now he's back on.
I'm stuck. Oh, this mud is bad.
Is that an alligator?
Where?
In front of you.
Is he still on?
Yeah, he's very happy right there.
Oh, I feel him now.
Where are you trying to go?
So we're gonna go try again, maybe see some snakes. We'll see what happens.
I'm gonna look for snakes. Did you bring the snake stick?
No.
Go get it.
Okay, I'll go get it.
Yeah.
What's the hook?
Snakes.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Like sea snakes or?
No, like inland.
Okay.
Pythons, cottonmouths, stuff like
You got a
that.
YouTube channel?
I do,
What?
but yeah, right now we're just kind of learning the place. We're from Colorado.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Pitbull.
All right, come on. The puffer fish needs to stay away, and the snapper needs to come up and eat it. It's a puffer fish. Are you serious, bro? Okay, bro. Tell your other pup. All right, you guys. We're gonna take this chatterbait because I don't know what else to use because I don't really have a heavy rod, so we're gonna throw on the chatterbait. See if we cannot get onto a snook. We're at the same spot that earlier this morning we had that one snook following and eat. So we're gonna see if we can get one to actually stick. Fish.
What do you have?
Finally caught another fish, an actual one. One that actually is like fighting and everything. Little baby snapper, mangrove snapper. Oh man, he has nasty teeth. He has little vampire teeth.
Let me
Look
see.
at that. He has 2 little fangs.
Fulfill.
That's
Oh.
interesting. Oh man. I don't know about that. There we go. Oh my gosh, she's a good bait fish. That is a blue striped grunt.
Oh.
Cute little guy. Third fish species. What?
A new fish?
I have no idea what that thing is.
Oh.
It's silver. And it swallowed the hook, of course. Oh, spiky. Well, I have no idea what that is.
Oh, it's got 2 mouths. It looks like.
Oh, like here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a jaw. I don't know what that is though. Well, very interesting.
Cool. All right, I'll take a pic.
One of those tiny yellow and blue striped ones. Bait. Dear Lord. There we go, little grunt.
Hi, fish. Oh, yeah.
Pretty cute. Oh my god. There we go, finally. There we go. Oh, oh, something new. What is one of those tiny yellow and blue striped ones. Bait. Dear Lord. There we go, little grunt.
Hi, fish. Oh, yeah.
Pretty cute. Oh my god. Alright, it is day 2. We're hoping to find some snakes and catch some fish today. Hopefully get onto our first snook. Hopefully find a cottonmouth or something like that. But we're up here at this tower where we can see out through all of the city. Yeah, big old piece of the pond over there. We're pretty much surrounded by water, which is what this place is known for. So it's only a matter of time before we find something.
Super cool.
Need to catch an iguana too.
Let's check out these bug bites.
Oh yeah.
From
They're better right now because I haven't been itching them, but we got absolutely eaten alive while we were catching all the little tropical fish last night.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. By these tiny little
that arm looks pretty.
tiny little midges and mosquitoes, so
Oh.
it's not good, but it itches pretty bad. So we brought bug spray tonight. So hopefully we don't run into that same issue again.
All right. Let's go.
Claws.
Let's go see. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's so cute.
Look at those claws. He's very angry. Oh, he might go down the crack. Oh.
He's got some big ones. All right, continuing on our walk. Look at this. Low tide this morning. All the water receded. Pretty crazy environment. So dense. I just missed the best excited laugh out of Nicholas I've ever heard.
That was awesome.
I missed it.
First jack.
See if he doesn't get pulled in. Oh, it's fighting so hard. Oh, wow, that's gonna be cool. All right, Nicholas.
That is awesome.
Ooh, very cool.
I don't know if I can pull him up. See how small that fish is and how hard he was fighting? I'm gonna go for it. Oh, okay.
Oh, nice job, Nicholas.
Well, we just caught that beautiful jack, but I didn't even have my GoPro on, of course, like as always. It's not good. But hopefully we land some more, and I'm gonna be strapping up my GoPro for the rest of the time so I don't miss any more cool moments.
Right there. I didn't think about it being an iguana, but I was like,
Oh, there's a needlefish right here. A couple of them. Instant, look at that. Look at that. Come on. He's eating it. Oh, he's not. He's not.
Bait went flying
Yeah.
and he got caught.
Oh, he's scary. Bro.
If you get him off nice, I'm going to take a close up of his teeth.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
It's pretty. It's
Okay.
white.
I'm gonna put it in a bag with water. Put it right there for a second.
Oh, you're pretty. You're so pretty. Yeah. Pretty fish.
Cool.
Oh, neat.
Weird.
I want to look at that one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at his mouth. Oh, my camera's not, bring it down some more. Wow. Oh, wow, how cool.
Really weird.
I'm gonna turn this way with the sun on it. Oh, yeah. Hi, you're different. Ooh.
Little needly guy.
Let me look at the back of him.
Really blue.
Oh, neat. Like that is cool. It's like a hummingbird.
Pretty weird.
That's amazing.
First needlefish. Yeah, just
Okay. Wait.
well, I figured him out.
Oh, another needlefishy.
He's little.
That's
guy.
so fun. A little worm.
Oh, he's pretty. Look at him.
Okay, just
Oh,
careful.
he wrapped my line up bad and tore it up. Look at that.
Hold still. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's wrapping me up bad.
Oh,
It is completely in your teeth, bud. How does this even happen? There we go. I actually hooked that one.
very cool.
Little needle.
Hi, guy. Sweet.
Ready to dive.
Be careful. Bye.
Whoa.
Oh, he went off. Okay.
Over there. Holy crap. This is gonna be instant. Oh, the weeds. There we go. Needlefish on it. Got him. Well, I figured him out. He's little. Little guy.
Fun. A little worm.
Oh, he's pretty. Look at him. Oh, he wrapped my line up bad and tore it up. Look at that.
Hold still. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's wrapping me up bad.
Hey, somebody else got something. The sharks are gonna start biting right now.
Now, you gotta run if you get something on.
Bored, man.
I don't know if I got him. Oh, yeah. Oh, he came off.
Oh, no. Oh, what is that? Weeds? Oh.
But there was definitely something on it. Yep, ate its head off.
Oh, really?
So that bite was definitely a fish. That is really crazy. I guess we figured out what they like. Yeah, we're getting bit on the cut bait. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a big fish. Oh my gosh. He's already beat me. Oh, he's going out deep. Oh my gosh. Do you see the line? This is not good. I gotta run over here. Oh, that's a big fish. He's taking me. Do you see the algae on the top moving? That's my line. Holy crap. My reel's getting hot. Oh, I can't stop him. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm guessing it's a shark, too. It's a dead fish on bottom. Oh, my gosh. He's just sitting down there.
Alright, this is gonna be hard. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see if I can.
Oh, he's going out deep. Oh my gosh. You see the line?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big fish. He's taking me.
What's
My,
he?
do you see the algae on the top moving? That's my line. Holy crap.
Be careful, dude. Good job.
My reel's getting hot.
Be careful, Leo. Be careful.
Oh, I can't stop it. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm guessing it's a shark, too. It's a dead fish on bottom. Oh, my gosh. He's just sitting down there. He's not even moving. It could be a stingray. Okay, there he goes. He's coming up. Oh my gosh.
What you got? What you got?
He's on. Oh, he's fighting.
Oh, cute.
40. Yeah.
Come on.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be forever. Did he pop? Oh, we're good. Oh my gosh. I almost just cried.
Don't cry. It's okay.
Oh my gosh. He's whooping me. My arm is getting tired. He won't stop.
Be careful.
I know.
I don't want to see you cry. Be careful.
It's weird. Like it feels like he gets snagged, but it's just because he's big. Yeah, look at that. He's taking line right now.
I hear it.
He's not stopping. Oh my gosh. This is a big fish.
Yeah, but do you let him go out that
I
far?
don't know what to do right now. I don't know if I let him. I think I might tighten my drag a little bit. Keep him from going out too far. Okay, he's coming back. Oh my gosh. Oh, he has massive head shakes.
Feel heavy.
Oh, he's heavy. He's whooping me. I don't know what this is. This has got to be a shark. I can't believe I haven't seen this still.
Alright, I'm going to turn this off for a second.
My reel is hot. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I haven't even seen him yet. He's just hanging low. Oh.
Come on, Nicholas.
I'm getting tired. Oh my gosh.
He's still going. Be careful. Don't lose that line.
I'm not. I'm so glad we got this rod. I would have been fried if I had this on the rod. I don't think I've ever been tired reeling a fish.
Is he getting close?
I don't know. I'm just holding him tight. I think, yeah, you could probably shine your light. He's probably up here now. Oh, he's going back under. My line's over to the right. Oh my gosh.
What is that?
I think it's a stingray.
Is that a whale?
Oh my, that's a big shark.
What
That's a big
is
shark.
that? Oh my.
Yo, look at that shark over here. No, pero yo, es un tiburonzazo. Oye, mira el tiburón este,
How do you get that out of its mouth?
How do you plan on getting that out?
We'll find out. It's in big nurse.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know. It's a lot of meat.
Your picture is a bull shark.
That's a nerve shark.
Oh, it popped. It's out.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, he took the hook. Yeah. Yeah, he's over to the left now.
Oh, he is?
Yeah. Oh, he's gone now. That was cool. Cut bait on the bottom, like right under the pier.
Whew. Oh, too close.
Well, we didn't even have to worry about unhooking him. He's gone. Man, that was crazy.
How are you feeling?
I've never been tired reeling in a fish.
Tired? Excited?
My right arm hurts. Oh, bounce those things.
So adorable.
Fred? Fred.
Aw,
Fred.
his name is Fred. Do you know what kind he is?
Woodhouse's toad, if I had to guess, but I don't know.
Okay, very cool. First,
Have to look it up.
okay.
You want to go in the water?
Yeah, you did.
He's an amphibian. Ooh. I think there's something in this water.
Look at the turtle.
Oh!
He's coming to bite you. Oh, he's chasing it.
Oh, he's chasing you. Get him up to me. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I'm in a bad spot. There's a rock that moved. Yeah.
Bring him all the way in.
Uh-huh. You're gonna have to go swimming.
If he just can come up on these rocks close to my toes.
Nicholas, why don't you get up on the rock to your right? Oh, you scared him. Oh, he's slowing down. Slowing down.
Still interested in it, Oh my gosh, you didn't eat my toes.
Wiggle your toes.
I am.
Gonna keep trying this one or find the next lake?
Maybe just try this one for a little bit longer. Other fish.
Maybe it's too hot for them to eat.
It very well could be. There's so many fish down here. Oh, that's insane how many fish there are. You getting eaten alive back there?
So bad.
It's just horrible. Mosquitoes everywhere.
Oh, hold on.
He doesn't care. Okay, swimming over to some other fish. Oh yeah, baby peacocks on it.
Let's go.
Well, they move.
And that's quite a small one, right? So that probably can't go as they go fast.
It's a big turtle. And they bite. I would not want to get anywhere close to him. I'd rather jump on an alligator than get on him. He's creepy.
Hi. Soft sheltered on.
Oh, he spat him out again. He killed him.
Wonder if they release something.
They probably do. Well, I guess that grasshopper's life is over.
I still see his little leg twitching. Poor little guy.
He got absolutely mauled. You see that fish underneath that lily pad right there?
Hold on one sec.
There.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see his little eyes.
Look at this fish over here. He's big. Look at that absolute chungus right there.
What
There's
is
one
that?
right here. Look straight down. Backing into the weeds. I think he's a snakehead. Like every fish right there was different. Look amazing.
Any fries on them?
I'm looking.
Oh, crane.
Threw it a little bit far.
You can't see it?
The baby alligator. See him?
Oh yeah.
There's a couple of them.
Yeah.
Those are crocodiles. Those are saltwater crocodiles.
No.
Yeah, that's what those are. I think.
Oh, right there.
Oh, yep.
Second I got too close, she came over. Man, she's huge.
Could she crawl up there though?
Probably.
Oh yeah, like either way, she'd launch up onto the tree and try to bite me, and I'd rather not do that.
You don't want that?
The second I put my foot on this branch.
Maybe you should try again.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh. Yeah.
get back.
Oh.
That's, oh boy.
Oh, get back.
Yep, come over here.
I'm trying. Dang. She came over quick. Grasshopper. Come on, just eat it. Oh. Huh?
Did you lose him?
Yeah. Come on.
2 hours later.
Come on. Oh my god. Yes! 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 Oh my gosh, that took so long trying to get them. Oh my gosh, that's not even a peacock bass. That's a cichlid. Oh my gosh. Jeez. He's losing it. Oh my gosh. That was so hard. Why? Why was that